Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. I hope you can see over my right shoulder, right down there, that is a foundation drain pipe where it's coming out. Found it. Let me talk about it. Let me tell you what's going to happen in a few months. If you've been following the job, remember I told you they should have put in a drain pipe from that corner all the way down to here, and they did. As I was walking down the street, I saw this water coming out of the wall, and I knew immediately what it was. But here's the issue. In an earlier video, I told you that what's going to happen is in the winter, this water coming out of here is going to freeze. And it's eventually going to choke up the entire pipe, and it might split the pipe. And then, once the water freezes in the pipe, all of the water that is underneath that slab, and there's going to be a lot of it coming off that hillside, it's going to come up through that basement floor. It's going to be horrible. It's going to be horrible. We've had about 2.5 inches of rain over the past 3 days, and it was dry before that. But I can tell you in the spring, water is going to be coming out of here like you can't believe. It's going to really, really be pouring a lot of water. That's if the pipe is still intact. We'll find out in the spring. The mistake that was made earlier is back up at the house. I talked about it in another video way back at the beginning. If you look at the drain tile video in this series, the builder should have put a T-fitting with a clean out at the top. And that would allow you in the wintertime to pour into the clean out a warm brine solution where you mix rock salt up into the water and make a brine to pour down into the clean out, which would eventually come out right down here, and it would free up any ice that might be in the pipe. And you would want to monitor this pipe down here before it chokes off. And if you saw it start to get clogged with ice, you would want to put some brine down it. You'd even want to put some solid rock salt down the clean out to kind of wash the rock salt down onto the ice in the pipe so it would melt it. But that clean out does not exist. It's going to be a big problem for this homeowner. What a shame. All right, if you discovered something new, try to click that thanks text link that is underneath the video. Every single dollar that I raise, I plow back into the channel to make more videos for you faster. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com.
If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.